Yes, so my correct people. Pikin fit play with him mama breast. Hey, boy no fit play with him papa testicles. If you know, you know. Omo na PJ things oh. Una know say to enter private jet no be cho. No be cho. Our beautiful Queen May enter private jet. Can I be your Queen May? Can I be your PA? Where can I submit CV because one with Queen May na straight fee. What is it? Queen May come. She can't enter private jet. Ha! Omo no be small. No be small. My brothers, my sisters. Ever since he enter private jet, yo never drink water drop ground. Yo never sit down. Judy Austin never sit down. They just a waka yo from one babalawo to another. Judy Austin from one babalawo to another. They don't see say this one no be shoot bird mama fly you. They don't see some more Queen May don't come out for gear. Queen May don't come out for gear. May nobody tell me. I say when we say when may nobody tell us, we understand what to mean by nobody tell us. Queen May enter PJ. Some people no go dey say what it be PJ. I bet Judy Austin fit enter. Yes, now we know say PJ no be anything. Una favorite fit enter. As far as una favorite no fit enter that PJ na something. Una favorite no fit enter oh. So the PJ na waiting. The PJ become something. If una wan kpai make una kpai. As far as we are concerned, see leave this thing no be cho. No be cho. Person wey get level get level. I go talk am again make una hear am. Person wey get level get level. Our queen get level. Now make una go see her say anytime wey she dey talk, everybody dey listen. Now who get level go talk make people listen. Who no get level no go talk make people listen. And na wetin we wan let una know be that. To enter private jet, you know how much e dey cost? Or you know person wey enter private jet. That means say you get connection. Wetin e mean be say we may get connection no. No be the one be say Judy Austin go airport. Plane she no enter. She just go airport. Person dey where they know for airport, where they work for airport. They just go turn around, come back. No be that one we dey talk. We dey talk of people wey be say they enter private jets. Now know wetin be PJ. PJ na your mate. Even them, they know within themselves. They know within themselves say the level where our queen dey no be their level. Queen May don't come on, leave them. Queen May don't come on, don't give them. Queen May don't give them space since. As then on a lamentation level then do. Hey. Lamentation level 9 then day. Waiting hit them, they never even know. I'm telling you guys, waiting hit them, they no know. For their mind, then they say na cho. They say ever since where Queen May enter this private jet, the location where yo they shoot, you know if you concentrate. Yo busy, they ask everybody where care to listen. Why Queen May go enter private jets? Who get the private jets? Why she go even enter private jets? Then she can't even dey showcase her. This is not the Queen May I used to know. The Queen May I used to know does not like earthly things like this. So all of a sudden, Queen May wants to be everywhere. Queen May wants to showcase herself. Hey, wait, Uncle, it dey pain you. It dey pain you. My people make una show our queen dey enter private jet. Nwanyoma. Oba, I bet when Judy Austin won't begin fly from one state to another. Because I own Asaba, Abuja, Asaba, Abuja. Now you do yourself for Juju Ekwensu. Maybe now when you buy, you go begin fly from one place to another as per say your spirit they roam about. Because what you do Queen May, your spirit no feel rest to. Anybody will tell you say your spirit go rest, the person they lie for you like this. Your spirit no feel rest too. Because you do things. You do things like this. I was supposed to they clap for you. You understand? You do things. My brothers, my sisters, will not be small thing. No. I repeat, Queen May no be anybody level. They say people get levels, but Queen May pass Judy Austin. And Judy Austin right now, the person where you supposed to they compete with now yo. Yes, now yo. Since she don't decide to drag yo come her level, before she won't leave yo come compete with you. Now you make you see yourself with a beg yo. No matter what happen, no leave Judy Austin. Judy Austin, no matter what happen, no leave yo. Both of you are not leaving each other for anybody. Both of you are staying together. You are staying together. You understand? Queen May always on the move. What will I do next? What money will I make next? Queen May is always on the move doing something great. But this one on her own, now had to be mad people. One can't steal person glory. How una wan even carry start to steal her glory first? Omo, person wey God don't bless you. Hey! Omo, if you know Judy Austin, they check on her. According to information, they say she did the pre right now. Omo, they say Juju Austin did the pre. They never finish say Queen May travel go China. If na only to travel go China, then go manage am. Now all of a sudden, they never recover from China travel. The next thing wey she don't do, she don't travel, she don't go enter PJ. Why she go enter private jet, for goodness sake? Now the question where everybody they ask. Abeg make una no vex. If una turn rich, make una no enter private jet. Now her turn, she go enter private jet. She has worked so hard, she deserve it. Besides the travel where she travel, Queen May, the travel where she travel na business travel. But Queen May, which time you enter the private jet where you can't dey post now? No wonder Judy Austin run go post pregnancy picture. No wonder Judy Austin run go post pregnancy picture. She go to tap for her mind say, let her enter private jet. Me, I'm getting pregnant now. Let her enter private jet. Have what she cannot have. I beg go. Wetin be the thing? Queen May no dey barren. Where you go say, okay, Queen May dey barren. Juju Queen, can you have sense? My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small shoot first, mama fly, you listen. No be small shoot bird, mama fly. Person wey no get sense, may nobody can tell me otherwise. Your maid dey fly PJ. Your maid dey enjoying life. You dey here say you want to carry belle every year. You dey even think how you want give the children good education. She no even care for the children education. Why would they even talk about education self? My brothers and sisters, no be small thing. No be small shoot bird, mama fly you. Queen May enter PJ, they won't buy. The if Queen May can't do mistake, can't enter another thing, how then go do am? Hey! Omo, this Queen May, there is no pepper then way past this one. If una see any pepper then way past this one, make una let me know. But for me, this is the height of pepper then. Queen May, she dey pepper with sense because she gets sense. My brothers, my sister, now how the matter deal. Now I want to let you know say our girl, our queen, our motivator, she don't enter private jet. That is on period. I go bring more updates. You know already now.